The frequency of sonar affects target's clarity and the detecting depth range. In this video, we will show you how to change the sonar frequency according to your working depth and request to get the best result. Before starting, we recommend watching our Choosing the Right Transducer videos. For frequency changing, there are two kinds of transducers. The transducers with traditional sonar and the transducers with CHIRP traditional sonar. Let's start with this GT52HW, a CHIRP traditional sonar transducer. First, go to Traditional Sonar View. Select Options. Frequency. Here, you can select the default frequencies. Or select Manage Frequencies to customize. Select New Preset. Enter your frequency and select Done. Back. Now you can select the frequency preset you just added. In the lower left corner, you can see the frequency you are using right now. Next, Traditional Sonar Transducers. Select Options. Frequency. Here, you can select the default frequencies, 50, 200, or Dual. Dual will transmit 50 and 200 kHz at the same time. If you want to customize the frequency, select the one you want to change. Then, select Sonar Setup. Installation. Frequency. Enter your frequency and select Done. Now the frequency has been modified. In the lower left corner, you can see the frequency you are using right now. And that's it. For how to select a frequency to fit your fishing situation, please watch these videos. Thanks for watching.